saying that.
I told him I thought I heard some more Poppa in the air, but it really wasn't. It was more like on the high side where it was hitting at. The phone was, yeah, because how high it was. So I think more than me, it was just trying to bottom out or something.
Yeah, man. Woo.
Who was playing this song?
Look at all of this back here. Explicit Customs. Brazilian Sounds winning today, buddy. They winning. You tell us what you got in here?
Got a 16 12-inch Brazilian Sound Golds with two 15Ks running my power, and I got a 2000x4 and a Smart 3K running my mids and my highs on my doors and then my center console. My center console here and my doors, I actually have 12 concrete audio mid-range 8s.
Okay.
Running two custom electric 390 amp alternators set at 15.8 volts.
Okay. 16, 12.
16 12-inch Brazilian.
You know, I see a lot of people going with the more 12s, more 10s. And is that something kind of you wanted to do to start out with?
I'm a 12 guy. I like 12s.
Okay.
I like 12s. Actually, I've been seeing something a little different. Most people are going with 15s and 18s.
Okay.
You know, I'm kind of old school. I've been doing music since I was 15.
Oh, man.
So, you know, but I like my 12s. They right in between the 10s and the 15s, and I get that mixture of both. I get that deep bass. I get that punchy bass. I get both of them. So I love my 12s.
I sat in one with 12 10s in there. It was so punchy. And I know this was doing something too, man. So on the windshield and everything, is this like well, not really extreme, but I mean, why do the windshield like that?
Well, because this is windshield number 4. The other three I blew out or cracked. So instead of spending money on windshields, went and got me a 3/8 inch Lexan, and a buddy back in Toledo of mine, Terry, he builds race cars, so he put a steel frame. If you look, it's a steel frame going all the way around that he welded in and welded this bracket going down the middle. Then we got this Lexan in which he actually heated it up and molded it, and then let it cool off and kept heating it up, cooling off until it molded to the contour of what the windshield needed to be. And at that point, he drilled it and ran the bolts and nuts in it and got it sitting in there.
Is it street legal to drive like that, or?
I don't know. I'll put it to you like this. I haven't been pulled over yet, but I did check that what would actually make it illegal, or what looks make it illegal, is I don't have any windshield wipers on there. So by law, you have to have windshield wipers, which I got them in here, so if I ever get pulled over, I may be able to put them on. They might be cool. It all depends. But I don't drive this on the highway. I trailered this here. But back in Toledo, Ohio, where I'm from, I ride around the streets all the time. I haven't had any problems with all this.
So is this for demoing, or is it for numbers?
This is demo, and I built this strictly for myself. I got out of the game for a while, and then some of the younger cats back in the city, brought me back out of retirement. So, and plus I miss it, so I'm glad I got back into it. It feels good. This is my first slam. First time bringing a vehicle to slam, it feels good. It's a good
cool, man. I like to hear it, man, if I can.
Sure. So what I'll do is I'll hit you with just some regular non-rebased music first, because it's musical. I can play everything. I can play jazz, blues, rap, and it all sounds good. But I'm gonna hit you with some regular music. Then after that, I'll hit you with something that's been a little less rebased.
Okay.
What's your name? Anna. What's your name, little girl? Is this your guys' first time in Town?
Woo!
No. How long have you been coming? About 4 years. 4 years. You've been coming?
When we could be superstars, we've been riding wrecking cars. Rose and Jambo. What does that say for us? Kicking out colors. Yeah, we could be superstars.
room and I'm with. In the city. Gotta come out, little chick. Then I'm deep. Run away. Damn, I knew you trick. We could have been superstars. Like a pussy little bit. Damn, I knew you trick. We could have been superstars. I'm lit.
Dang, that snatches you, man.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Now that's just regular music. So now
1612.
1612.
Woo! Golly.
Yep. So now
Woo! And that was regular music.
that was regular music. So now I'm gonna hit you with some Michael Jackson.
You think I can hop in after him?
Sure, depending on what I might.
Yeah, man. Hey, listen.
I almost had to jump out on you. I was ready to jump out on you.
That was a good one right there, man.
No,
That
it
was
make your back itch.
Yeah, back itch and
Make your back
everything.
itch.
Knocking spit out of your mouth. This is a damn good deal, man. Tell us your name.
Carlos Hall from Toledo, Ohio. I had my partner Big J in the back, who's helped with the build, did all the wiring, ran all the wires, and did everything. And then Vince from Explicit Customs was who built my box back there. That's his sticker in the back there.
Awesome,
all
man.
from Toledo, Ohio, 419. Made in the mud, baby, 419.
419, Poppa T. Hey, make sure y'all get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. This thing is nasty. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.